In March 2016, AlphaGo beat the 18-time world champion Lee Sedol. Just 1 year later, another version of AlphaGo beat itself. This is the beginning of a world of possibilities for deep reinforcement learning. If computers can learn on their own, artificial intelligence could match human intelligence in novel ways. You've tackled other methods of AI, but you want to be at the forefront of this field. And we've designed a deep reinforcement learning program to get you there. You can master core skills by completing challenging hands-on projects. You'll be set up for success through learning from AI experts at Unity and NVIDIA. By the end of the program, you'll have a GitHub portfolio that will prepare you to build real-world applications from finance to robotics. So join us to build artificial intelligence that you can hardly imagine.